Thank you. Thank you, Alphabet team, for giving a wonderful memory for us. Thank you so much.
Good evening, everyone. I have performed for the first time for my kid, and this is really a memorable moment in my life and unforgettable moment. Thank you for giving me a chance to be with my son on this stage with all the other mothers. Thank you.
So good evening everyone. So I am Rajeshwari here, mother of Jai Vihan. So today I want to tell about my son that he is very active and he want to do every day he want to do a dance, and he says me that mummy I want to dance, I want to dance. So I said so it's your wish, you can dance anytime. So me and my husband are very encouraging to my son to dance every day. Thank you.
గుడ్ ఆఫ్టర్నూన్ అండి. ఐఎమ్ రామ్ త్రిజల్ మదర్. నేను నా లైఫ్లో ఫస్ట్ టైం డ్యాన్స్ చేయడం అనేది మా కన్నయ్యతో ఫస్ట్ టైం. ఎప్పుడూ నేను ప్రాక్టీస్ కానీ చేయడం కానీ ఎప్పుడూ చేయలేదు. థ్యాంక్ యూ సో మచ్ మ్యామ్.
Hello everyone, good evening. Myself Anuja, I am a parent of Anvikas from LKG. I think this is the dance made my day. Thank you for this giving opportunity. This is the best opportunity in my life. I think I never performed with my daughter. Like this is the first performance. I will be safe forever in my gallery. Thank you once again for this giving opportunity.
Hello everyone. First of all, I am saying thank you to all of you. This is amazing experience to dance with my daughter. First time I am nervous. First time I am dancing, so I was very nervous. So thank you all of you, especially Tejaswini ma'am. Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Alphabet Techno School, Motinagar, Hyderabad.